I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, and this is a look at my HomeX deck hook. So this is a really simple, durable hook that you can use to mount all kinds of things out on your deck. So I'm going to show exactly what I'm doing with it, and also give a little insight into how I installed it. So installation is really easy. It's got this mounting bracket. There's 4 screws. You're just putting these, in my case, into the wood siding on my house. It also comes with drywall anchors. So if you're putting this into more of a drywall kind of material or something that needs a little more of an anchor, that's included in the kit. The mount itself, then there's this pole. This is solid metal, so it's very strong. It goes in here. We can loosen this bracket, and that allows us to move the pole through, in this case, 180 degrees, or depending on how you mounted it. If you mounted it at the top of the deck pole or something, you could spin this 360 degrees. Then we've got the pole itself. And it actually comes in 2 segments. The first segment is 28 inches, so you could just end there if you wanted to. And then the second segment extends it out to be 44 inches. So that's quite a good reach. And then we've got this nice hook at the end of it that you can use to hang things. So what can you hang on it? In my case, hanging a bird feeder. And it works great for that. Just put the bird feeder on that hook, and it's connected into the side of the house. Super secure, very sturdy. It's not going to fall or anything there. Other things you could hang, though, you could hang lighting. So if you have a lantern that you want to hang up there, this would make a great way to hang a lantern. And if you like to garden and you have a hanging plant, again, it's definitely got enough strength to support that. And this would be a great way to hang some nice hanging plants around your deck. Really like the hanger. It's versatile, it's strong. It only took me probably about 2 minutes to install with a power drill. Tightened it up a little bit by hand to make sure that the screws are secure, and I can go ahead and mount my bird feeder.